Sandra Lane from the ESL National RÉCIT. In our introduction, we announced that we would be presenting 4 ways to use technologies to activate prior knowledge. So in this clip, I will be presenting how you can use the KWL chart with an online tool called Scrumblr. It is easy to use and very effective with computers and an interactive whiteboard or a projector in front of your classroom. So why use the KWL chart with your students? Because it helps them to activate prior knowledge before reading or researching on a topic. The first thing that you need to do is you need to open a new web page and type in the address, so scrumblr.ca. Then type in a name for your board. So in our case, I will write activating prior knowledge, and the subject that I chose is endangered animals. So I will write animals here and press on go. So you don't need to create an account to use that tool. So you access the tool, you have a new board, and here you can see that you have a plus and a minus. If you press on plus, you can add a new column, so you can add as many columns as you need. In our case, we only need 3. I will type the first column, so what I know. The K is what I know. The second one, W, is what I want to know. And the last one would be L for what I learned at the end of the lesson or topic or reading. The board is now ready. What you need to do next is share this address with your students. So on their computer, they will open a new web page, type in the address, so scrumblr.ca /apk_animals, and they will access the board that you created for them. The next step would be that they will press on the plus here. I can make those cards a bit bigger with the 2 arrows. I start writing about what they know about the subject. I can write that they are rare, that they might disappear soon, and so on. Okay, so the second step is what I want to know. An example here could be which ones are critically endangered. And if you want to make the index cards a bit smaller, you press again on the 2 arrows so you will have a bit more space to write down your elements. So at the end of the project or their reading, we're going to come back with the same address in the board to access the board and write about what they learned, and also verify if what they knew about the topic is actually a good information. Okay, so we will work on that. So this is really important. So this clip was about using the KWL chart with an online tool called Scrumblr to activate prior knowledge with your students in your classroom. See you soon!